The first thing we look at when we come in to do our waterproof inspection is the floor to wall junctions. What we're looking for here is to make sure that the waterproof has rolled up the wall a minimum of 25 millimetres and that the bandage has been installed nice and flat. There's no bubbling of any kind. We're also looking for any flaking and any pinholes that may be within the membrane. At the same time, we're also checking for the overall dryness of the waterproof. Now, as we can see here, where I'm pointing, and in the corner here, the waterproof membrane is still light blue, and it's quite tacky to touch, as you can see there. That means that the waterproof is still wet and not dry enough. We knew that this was going to be the case, considering that it's the middle of winter and that the rain has finally arrived. To help with this process, we've got the heaters going to speed up the drying process. We're also looking at the same time for any pinhole cracks in the overall membrane itself. Now, as we can see here, we've got some polyurethane. So upon inspection, I found a pinhole crack. The way that we rectify this is, well, the first thing we do is we put a circle around it so we know where it is, and then we put some polyurethane over the top and allow that to dry.